welcome back to the channel. Today actually we're gonna do something a little different. It's just gonna be a quick video, but we have a part for the Type R that I wanted to go over. We're gonna put this aside for a second, we'll get into that. But the new JQ Werks steering hub for the Type R arrived, so I thought we'd unbox it and kind of go over what it is real quick. So let's get it unboxed. Let's see. Oh, there's a little tab here. Alright, got the tab off. Let's open the box. Oh. Alright, so this is the JQ Werks steering hub, or I guess it's the race hub for the FL5 Type R. What does this look like? Some stickers for the buttons, I guess. Put those aside. What does this say? I guess date, or purchase date and product. Alright, so here we have, it looks like, what is this? I don't know, probably part of the steering assembly, but we'll put that aside and open it up. Oh, just more foam. Alright, here it is, guys, the JQ Werks steering hub for the Type R. So what this is, it replaces all the buttons that are on your OEM steering wheel, and you are able to run a aftermarket steering wheel like this one here. We are going to install this in a different video. I just wanted to do an unboxing and kind of go over it and look at it with you guys for the first time. So the quality of it is amazing. I can't really describe how it feels, but it feels very solid. Excellent quality. I like the button layout too. Everything seems to be very accessible when the steering wheel is on, so obviously when the steering wheel is over it, you can see that the buttons really are very easy to reach. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off this part. Kind of go over what there is here. So this looks like the actual hub for the Type R that attaches to the steering column. What is this? Just a bunch of foam, I guess. This looks like so this is the quick, this will be the quick release, but as you can see, all the wiring is built in, so when you take off the steering wheel, the buttons do come with it, with the steering wheel itself, so everything is already pre-wired. It should be very easy to install. Looks like some more wiring that they've pre-spliced and pinned for you, so that's a plus. And looks like just a few more connectors, little Allen key tool, and looks like an interior piece tool if you need it. So yeah, guys, this is the JQ Werks Mad Trace steering wheel hub. I am very excited about this. So just a quick, little tidbit here. When you do install a aftermarket steering wheel and with a hub like this, you will be losing the factory airbag. Now, I don't daily this car. I drive it, but I don't drive it as regularly as I'm sure a lot of you might. But I personally like the look of this. I'm willing to sacrifice the airbag for this part. If you do daily your car, if you are sitting in traffic, if you are commuting 9 to 5, I probably would not advise installing this. I would probably advise keeping the factory airbag. It's nice to be alive. So for me though, I plan to track this car. I like the feeling of this steering wheel a lot more than the factory one. I could have gotten the factory Alcantara steering wheel. I think it's like $400 or $500. I'm not entirely sure, but I didn't really see the point in spending money on another factory steering wheel when I could just upgrade everything and do it once and do it right. The total price on this, I think was about, I want to say $1,800. So it's not cheap, but if this is something that you are interested in, I do believe they have them in stock currently, so you could place an order, and their shipping was pretty fast. And it came very nicely packaged, and it looks amazing. As you can see, the buttons are blank, so I think that's what these little stickers are for. So you can apply them to where you want to have the controls. Alright guys, so the steering wheel I did decide to go with is a Gen 3 Spoon steering wheel. It is signed by the founder of Spoon. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing his name right. I think it is Tatsuru Ichiyama. Probably butchered that, but that is who the signature is by. I do like the size of the steering wheel. It's a little smaller than the factory one. It's a little older, but it's actually in pretty good condition. I don't think I'm going to get it rewrapped, but if I did, I would probably do an Alcantara wrap. Alright guys, so that's going to kind of close out this video. I just kind of wanted to unbox it with you guys and kind of go over the parts and what it came with. So, like I said, this is the JQ Werks race hub for the FL5 Type R, and I am going to be pairing it with a Gen 3 Spoon steering wheel. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.